Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. You know, Apple had earnings, Apple sells off on earnings, and then one looks at that and says, wow, was the earnings that bad? And actually they weren't. It was the forecast of the future, of course, that tends to worry people. But was that really what was going on? Is that why we've seen this huge decline, more than 10% at this point? 132 down to 112, 20 bucks off of 132. Pretty good descent, right? Well, if you look around, you can see that maybe price discounted news before the news came, right? Verizon drops the phone contracts. If you look here, they used to subsidize these things. A $640 phone or $50 phone cost you 200 bucks. Now you're going to pay $650. Well, if you're going to pay $650, that's probably going to put a little dent into the sales, and I suspect this decline was the anticipation of that news being told. And so, at Apple at this point, it's not a bad setup for a bounce. In other words, you've got a two-bar reversal here that comes after an extended decline straight down, right? That should give you a bounce. Where's it going to bounce to? Well, it's 4 bars so far on this break. This break was this swing point low. That's the retest regen zone, bearish. Bounce back up there, test this low area. If it's more than 6 bars, you're 4 into it. You get 2 more, you can only expect that. If you get up there before that, well, you can actually make it all the way back to the top. So this is the zone. This is where Apple's going to bounce back up to. So if we look at it from that perspective, you can expect an Apple bounce back into this area, and then they're probably going to sell it again. We'll see how that works out. That's Apple, that's the news, and that is today's short take.